Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and a good deal with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steel wheels, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.